one way of doing is using your firewalls. So firewalls is something that we do. Where all this so-called
now firewall can be just broken through. If somebody is good at it, he can just go out of the firewall in no time.
then two ways we can look at it. So one is remove all of the features of this device except the browser. So what will happen is you disable the browsing capability of this device. Okay. You only load this particular application. When the device boots up, the only portal comes in.
Ideally speaking, the tablet should only be enabled to view the content which is available on our servers.
Exactly.
So that means all other portals, all other devices to enable even accessing any other Wi-Fi equipment should not be there. That is customizing or this thing. So at the end of the day, the equipment, the tablet is useful only inside the campus. Outside the campus, he doesn't know how to enable it because there is nothing.
One option as I told you, so the Wi-Fi network that we have, each device has something called a MAC address. Okay. The MAC address becomes the key for the device. For each MAC address, there is a username and password that is get assigned. So for example, it could be a roll number, it could be a name and a password. So all these three parameters becomes the key. Only with the device, with this particular username password, okay, with this particular MAC address, you'll be able to access from this Wi-Fi. So you have to create actually a repository of all the MAC addresses and the username password. And each MAC address has a link. For example, this boy has got a, I don't know what's his name. Ajit. So Ajit has a roll number 4289. So he has a 4289 as a roll number. I assign a device with him. Against 4289 there is a MAC address that is assigned to it. Because it means this particular tablet belongs to this boy only. It means this boy's tablet cannot be used with somebody else. Okay. And he has a username and password. It means only he can log in. Of course, he can share his username password at the risk of saying that by giving him, it means something is getting tracked against his name for what he does. As simple as. So that part of the
No, in other words, when we just look at it, this will reduce the cost of the instrument also, because you are not going to enable them.
It's not about the cost. Cost is about the operating system I was talking about.